Hey, hi, come here. What are you doing, silly?
So that's one point that I wanted to stop for sure. And I hope I don't drag this forever. This is a big mistake
Hi,
or
come here.
lack of knowledge about the science of diving that I see a lot when it comes to medical clearance, for example.
Come on.
And Jared just gave a good example of the misunderstanding of
It's like, where's my
pressure
mother?
at depth. So he said something like,
Come on.
well, you went straight and, went through the
Okay, I'm gonna
deepest.
ignore you.
I'm glad you didn't do that
But you
deeper.
come this way.
And if you're gonna do something like that, just bolt to the surface from like 20 feet. It's better than doing it deeper. It's actually the opposite because the greatest change of pressure happens from 1 atmosphere, which is at the surface, to 2 atmospheres, which is at 33 feet or 10 meters, right? So if you 33 feet to 0, right? Double in size. If you do that from 99 feet or 100 feet to 60 or 66, they only go from a quarter of the size to a third. So the change of size of the bubbles, it's actually the deeper you
Welcome
are,
back.
the smaller the change
Hi.
on the size of the bubbles.
Hi.
The shallower.
1/2 per atmosphere less.
Thank you.
Correct.
The dives that I had been on before, and my gear of, okay, I know I have this much time, a sense of time is completely off, being that deep. And when I made that switch over, it was just, I didn't have enough air.
Is my face that dirty that needs that much help?
And
What's going on here?
thankfully, if there's any
I just took a shower. Oh, there goes the lip. I'm gonna have no lip. I mean, my lips are gonna be gone if you keep doing that. Yeah. Then
roughly,
I'm gonna look really funny.
I don't know exactly.
Where are we going?
Between 30 and 50 feet.
So, can I'm gonna ask you just a series of questions. Honestly,
Come on over here, man. Let's go. Come on, man. Let's do this.
no, it's back off.
Where are you going, Pablita? He's got that out again. Come on. Where you wanna go? Hi. Say hi. Oh. You're such a cutie bird. Where's Rango? There's Rango. Look at him. He's looking outside, thinking about things. You gonna go for another flight? You gonna go fly around for a minute? Hey. Hi. He sounds nice, huh? He's working on it. Oops. Did you fall? Come here. Oh, no, you didn't fall. Come on. Hi, Basil. Hi, Basil. You're so cute. Look how pretty you are. Hi, Rango. Look how fuzzy. They're so fuzzy. Salute. So I changed the settings for video to see. There we go. Try to get it. There. Nope. Get it sharper. There we go. Anyways, change the settings for video. See how they would look? I think I like it. Oh, it was too far. This way. And of course, they don't want to pose for anything right now. They just kind of want to run around. Hi. Oh, look how pretty you look there. So hopefully they work out better. But anyways, this little clip's gonna be like half crappy video, half good video. So, oh man, there he goes. I can see your feathers. How pretty. Okay. Say bye. Say bye, Rango. Oh, I think I should have done better settings a long time ago. 'Cause look at it. It's so much better. Yeah, I guess I'll just keep doing it this way. It just takes up a lot more memory. Focus, focus, focus. Better focus. There we go. Hi.